Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Really easy to do. If you go over to the right earpiece here, you will see that we have a little round button. That's the button, that's the power button. So to turn it on, don't just tap it, you have to hold it down for a couple of seconds, that will turn them on. And also to turn it off, you need to hold it down for a couple of seconds. So holding it down now. You can now see that we've now turned it on and this is now connected to my phone. You will actually hear a sound come through here. And then when you're finished with them, to fully turn them off to save your battery, you just need to hold down this button for a couple of seconds. You can see the light will flash, then it will go off, and that is it. These are now fully shut down. So that's as easy as it is. 2 seconds to turn on and 2 seconds to turn off. Thanks for watching.